is about vector calculus. Okay, in vector calculus, first we have to discuss what is vector differentiation. There is a less space, so I say you what is vector differentiation. First, this symbol is known as del operator. Okay, del equal to generally del equal to I bar, which is direction dou by dou x plus j bar dou by dou y plus k bar, which is dou by dou z. Next, f is a function. F can be f function it can be divided into two types. One is scalar and the second one is vector. Understand? One is scalar and one is vector. The formula for del f means I dou by dou x plus j, which are bars, dou by dou y plus k bar dou by dou z into f. Since it's a scalar, we can say it as gradient f. Gradient f equal to del f. Next, if when f is vector, implies I bar f1 j bar f2 plus k bar f3. The formula for divergent f. Divergent f equal to del dot f bar, that equal to, which we know that del equal to I dou by dou x plus j bar dou by dou y plus k bar dou by dou z. Let us take f equal to f1 I bar, f2 j bar, f2 k bar, which is written here. Then we get the divergent dou f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z. Okay, is about curl f. What is meant by curl f? Curl f. The formula for curl f is del cross f bar, which we know that a cross b. How to do a cross b? I j k. Yeah, one minute. We will write a big one so it's easy for us. Okay, I j k. Under I, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Continue here. F1, F2, F3. As result we get what is curl F. This is the way how to find curl F if F is given. Next, going to the important point, normal vector. These are all the important formulas and points regarding vector calculus. What is a normal vector? Okay. Normal vector. In vector differentiation and calculus, normal vector represented by n bar, which is equal to grade f. Grade f. The formula for normal vector is grade f. Then, what is a unit normal vector? Unit. What is a unit normal vector? Means it is represented with n cap having a formula. What is a unit normal vector? Generally, a cap means a bar by magnitude of a. Here the same. Unit normal vector means grade f by magnitude of grade f. These are the formulas here. The next one, how to find a directional derivative in a direction A. The next one is directional derivative. Directional derivative. Directional derivative in a direction, in a direction means then the formula is gradient f dot a cap. Directional derivative. Here is the formula for directional derivative in a bar, in a direction, means direction derivative in a vector b direction means grade f dot b cap. Okay, the next formula here, how to find maximum direction derivative. Max direction derivative. Here is the formula that magnitude of grade f, magnitude of grade f. Okay, the last and final point is how to find the angle between these surfaces. angle between surfaces. Here is the formula that we will measure it with cos theta, which is grade f dot angle between two surfaces of f and g. Let us say angle between surfaces f and g, grade f dot grade g by magnitude of grade f dot, here 1 second, grade f dot magnitude of grade g. Simply, grade f by mod grade g means it is a unit normal vector of a unit normal vector for f, and grade g by grade magnitude of grade g means unit normal vector of grade g. Here comes cos theta. Sorry, 1 minute. In the next video, we will solve some small problems from the basic end of this chapter. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube.